Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about some competitive exam questions. The first question is a compound formed by the elements X and Y crystallizes in cubic structure in which X atoms are at the corners of the cube with Y atoms are at the center of the face. The formula of the compound is, in this case, the X atoms are present at the corners of the cube while Y atoms present at the face centers. Therefore, the X atoms contains at each corners, this is 1 by 8 into 8, that is equal to the 1. While at the face center contains 1 by 2 part of each face as shown in the hints in this case. The number of atoms X is 1 upon 8 into 8 equals to the 1, and the number of Y atoms per unit cell equals to the 1 by 2 present at each face. For cube there are the 6 faces, therefore 1 by 2 into 6 equal to the 3. Thus the X atoms equals to the 1 and Y atoms equals to the 3. Therefore XY3, it is the correct answer, and the correct answer for this question is D, XY3. Next question. In a close packed array of n spheres, the number of tetrahedral holes are. We know that for the n number of atoms, the tetrahedral words equals to the 2n and octahedral words are n. That is, tetrahedral words are always twice to that of the octahedral words, and therefore for this question the answer is C, 2n. Tetrahedral words are the 2n. The next question. The ionic radii of the Rb plus and I minus are 1.46 angstrom and 2.16 angstrom. The most probable type of structure exhibited by it is. The radius ratio rule is the radius of the cation to the radius, it is the ratio of radius of the cation to the radius of anion. The radius of cations Rb plus is 1.46 and this I minus is 2.16. By taking the ratios of 1.46 divided by 2.16, we get there is a answer is NaCl type of the structures, because the hints according to the structure, the radius ratio fall in the range of the octahedral range 0.414 to 0.732. That is NaCl type of the crystal structure. Hence, in rubidium iodide, that is RBI, contains there is a NaCl type of the structure, and therefore answer for this question is NaCl type. The next question. The coordination number of Sr2 plus ion in SrF2 if ionic radii are Sr2 plus equals to the 113 picometer and ionic radius of this F minus equals to the 136 picometer is. We have to find out the coordination number. We also take the ionic ratio, that is the radius ratio rule, ratio of radius of cation to the radius of the anion. then we get there is a coordination number equals to the 8 because this is present in the range 0.732 to 1.0, and therefore this ratio of radius of cation to the anion equals to the 0.831, and this belongs to the range 0.732 to 1.0. Hence, the coordination number for this SR2 plus is 8, and therefore answer for this question is B. Next question is the edge length of the unit cell of NaCl crystal lattice is 5.623 angstrom and density is 2.16 grams per cm cube, and the molar mass of NaCl is 58.5 grams per mole. The number of moles per unit cell is. In this question, we have to ask there is a edge length of the unit cell of the NaCl crystal lattice is 5.623 angstrom, density is also given, and the molar mass of NaCl is given. Then you have to find out the number of atoms, number of moles per unit cell is number of atoms. Therefore, we know that the density formula D equals to the Z into M divided by A cube into Na. By using this formula, we can calculate the number of atoms as shown in this end. Density Z equals to the M, Z into M divided by Na into A cube. In this case, Z means the number of atoms present in the unit cell, M is the molar mass, N0 is the Avogadro's number, and A cube is the edge length. Then substitute the values of these questions in this formula, we get the answer nearly equals to the 4. Therefore, the number of moles per unit cell is equal to the 4. Answer is A. The next question, the arrangement of ABC type is referred to as ABC is dash 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 is referred to as, there are options: octahedral close packing, B hexagonal close packing, C tetrahedral close packing, and D cubic close packing. This ABC type is the arrangement of this cubic close packing. This is the cubic close packing. The next question is, for the structure is given below, the site marked as yes is O. For the structures given below, then after these questions we discussed another question. Among the solid, the highest melting point is exhibited by, there are 4 options: A covalent solids, B ionic solids, C pseudo solids, and D is the molecular solids. Amongst these 4 types of the solids, ionic solids contains high melting point due to the presence of electrostatic force of attractions, strong electrostatic force of attractions, and therefore answer for this question, high melting point, is the B ionic solids. Then take some questions for homework. Which of the following does not represent a type of crystal system. Options: triclinic, B. monoclinic, C. rhombohedral, and D. isotropic. Take this question for homework. Another question: the ratio of close packed atoms to tetrahedral holes in cubic close packing is. Options: A 1:1, B 1:2, C 1:3, and D 2:1. Take these two questions for homework. Solve carefully because these questions are important for also in case of the numericals. Thank you.